Happy Kids Learning.
Hi, Bella. Welcome to the Grassland.
Hi, Professor Owie. It's a really beautiful grassland.
Today, we are going on an exciting journey through the grasslands to discover fascinating animals. Are you ready to test your knowledge and learn some amazing facts?
Yes, let's get it started.
Which animal is a lion?
The answer is this one, a lion. The lion, also known as the king of the jungle, has a big, furry mane.
Which animal is a horse?
This one is the answer, a horse. Horses are fast and friendly animals that love to run and play in the fields.
Which of these animals has a long neck?
The answer is giraffe with a long neck. A giraffe has a very long neck to help it reach the leaves at the very top of trees.
Which animal is a fox?
That's correct. This photo shows a fox. Foxes are clever and quick, with bright red fur and bushy tails.
Which animal has stripes?
This one is the answer, a zebra. Zebras have unique black and white stripes, and no two zebras have the same pattern.
Which of these is the largest land animal?
Elephant is the largest, so this one. Elephants are the biggest land animals, with big ears and long trunks.
Which animal eat grass?
This one is the answer. Sheep eat grass. Sheep are fluffy and gentle, and they love munching on grass all day. Okay, it's my turn to ask questions. Which of these animals has horns?
This one is the answer. Rhinoceros. Rhinoceroses have big, strong bodies and 1 or 2 horns on their noses.
Which of these animals is a bird?
That's correct. It's an eastern bluebird. The eastern bluebird is a small bird with bright blue feathers and a cheerful song.
Which animal is a coyote?
The answer is this one. Coyotes are wild animals that look like dogs, known for their sharp howls at night. Great job, Bella. You've done really well with the easy questions. Now, let's learn with some medium-level questions. Are you ready?
Yes, I am ready. This quiz is really fun, and I want to learn more.
Which animal is a night creature?
This one is the answer, owl. Owls are night creatures with big eyes that help them see in the dark.
Which of these animals roars?
The correct answer is lion. Lions are known for their loud roars, which can be heard from far away in the wild.
Which animal has big, sharp tusks?
It's warthog, this one. Warthogs have big, sharp tusks that they use to dig and defend themselves.
Which animal stands on two legs to look around when it's on guard?
The correct answer is meerkat. Meerkats stand up on two legs to look around and keep watch when they're guarding their family. Which of these birds is famous for displaying its feathers in a fan shape?
The answer is this one, a turkey. Turkeys are known for spreading their large, colorful feathers into a fan shape to show off.
Which animal lives in the water part of the time?
The correct answer is hippo. Hippos spend a lot of time in the water to keep cool under the hot sun.
Which of these animals can dig holes?
This one is the answer, prairie dog. Prairie dogs are great diggers, creating tunnels and burrows where they live.
Which animal has big ears to help keep cool?
The correct answer is elephant. Elephants have huge ears that flap to help cool them down on hot days.
Which of these animals has spots?
The answer is this one, a leopard. Leopards have beautiful spots that help them hide in the shadows and leaves.
Which of these animals carries its baby in a pouch?
This one is the answer, kangaroo. Kangaroos carry their babies in a pouch, where they stay cozy and safe as they grow. Impressive work on those medium questions. Now, who's up for the real challenge?
Let's do it! Bring on the hard questions.
Which animal runs the fastest?
Cheetah is the correct answer. Cheetahs are the fastest animals on land, able to sprint faster than any other creature.
Which animal can spray a foul-smelling liquid to defend itself?
The correct answer is skunk. Skunks can spray a very smelly liquid from their tails to protect themselves when they feel threatened.
Which animal helped maintain the American Great Plains?
This one is the answer. Bison. Bison played a key role in maintaining the health of the American Great Plains with their grazing.
Which animal is a wild dog?
The answer is this one. Wild dogs are known for their teamwork when hunting and are a type of wild canine found in Africa.
Which animal can jump over 3 meters high?
This one is the answer. Antelope. Antelopes can leap more than 3 meters high, jumping over obstacles with ease.
Which animal uses mud to protect against insects and sun?
Buffalo is the correct answer. Buffaloes roll in mud to create a protective layer against insects and the hot sun. My turn to ask questions again. Which animal is known for its massive migratory herds in the Serengeti?
The correct answer is wildebeest. Wildebeest are famous for their huge migratory herds that travel across the Serengeti every year.
Which animal is immune to snake venom?
The answer is this one, mongoose. Mongooses are immune to snake venom, which helps them hunt snakes without getting hurt.
Which animal uses over 30 vocalizations to communicate?
That's correct. It is baboon. Baboons use over 30 different sounds to talk to each other, making them very chatty animals.
Which animal can fight off much larger predators?
This one is the answer! Badger! Badgers are fierce and can defend themselves against much larger predators when threatened.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more fun content like this.